Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. In this video, I will tell you about how you can install the unknown sourced app in your device Xiaomi POCO X4 Pro and X4 Pro 5G. Before starting the video, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you want to install the unknown sourced app in your device, you can do this by the way as I'm showing in this video. So you have to follow the steps in the complete video and you will learn how you can install the unknown sourced app in your device POCO X4 Pro and X4 Pro 5G.